Hey guys, it's Angie, and I get to show you guys today's big Valentine's Day steal. This is the one that brought me to Decor Steals in the first place, and I'm so excited to show it to you. 2 bunches of dried lavender stems. I'm going to show you guys how I've used them in my house. You will be surprised how far these things go. This is my entryway, and I made simple bouquets using baby's breath and a couple of lavender sprigs. Now, I am a card-carrying member of a plant hospice society, so anything that doesn't require maintenance, water, or anything to stay nice, hey, that's aces in my book. Now, in my dining room, I've used, in place of the candle sconces, these little bottles, more of these baby's breath and lavender sprigs. Guys, this will go so far. You will fill your entire house with lavender, and I wish that you guys could smell how fragrant these things are, because it is heavenly. Now, on my dinner table, I made a simple arrangement using an old crate, some bottles and jars, grocery store flowers, and these lavender sprigs. And what an impact they make. Now, in my office here, I want to show you guys what I've done in here, using them in various ways. I've got a little door hanger mixed with some fake flowers. On my desk, I've used a little bit of greenery for a real simple bouquet. A couple more lavender sprigs on the other side. And at my piano, just to bring my everyday decorations into spring, I've added a couple little lavender sprigs here and there. And they are so amazing. Now, if you're wondering about how many you should buy, this big picture here at the end is just under 1 bouquet. And you're gonna get 2 bouquets worth of these lavender sprigs. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys, these things are roughly about, say about 22 inches long stems. And they are so simple to make whatever size you need. They snap real easy, so you could put them in votive holders or use them in long vases, add tiny little heads to your wreaths. You will use them everywhere. And then one more thing I want to show you over here on my desk. Since these things are so delicate and they shed so simply if you mess with them, you're going to find all of these little lavender heads. Well, save them. This is so fragrant. Use it as potpourri. Add them to little satchels for your drawers. Guys, run and jump on today's steal. You will love it. Thank you, Decor Steals. You guys have a happy Valentine's Day.